In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create milestones in ClickUp. Project Tracking 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mark a key task as a milestone so your timelines, dashboards, and reports clearly reflect the most important checkpoints in your project. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. This is where everything begins. Once you're there, sign into your ClickUp workspace. You can continue with email or use a connected provider like a social or company login. Choose whatever your organization prefers. If your workspace uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete those prompts as usual to get access. After logging in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. Think of this as your command center. You'll see your latest activity, tasks assigned to you, and quick ways to jump into your work. On the left-hand side, look for the sidebar. Near the top of that sidebar, you'll find spaces. Spaces are the highest level containers for your work, and inside them you'll organize folders and lists. Click into the space that holds the project you're working on. Then open the specific list where your tasks live. This takes you to a view of all tasks in that list. You can scan the task table or board for the work you want to elevate. If needed, adjust your filters or sorting to make it easier to find the right item, but you don't have to change anything if the task is already visible. Now, select the task you want to mark as a milestone. Choose something that represents a major deliverable or a critical handoff. Think design approved, beta launched, or contract signed. It's helpful if this task already has a clear name, an owner, and a due date, since milestones typically anchor timelines. With the task open, look to the top right corner of the task window and click the three dots icon. This opens additional options for the task. Find the setting labeled Task Type and click it to open the drop-down. From the list of types, choose Milestone. That's it. The task is now a milestone. You'll usually see a visual indicator, like a diamond, and the task will stand out on Gantt charts and timelines. It will also be easier to highlight in reports and status updates. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. Keep milestones focused on the most meaningful checkpoints, not every small task. Align milestone due dates with key project phases, so your schedule tells a clear story. If you don't see the task type option, you may need the right permissions in your workspace. And if priorities change, you can return to the same menu to switch the task type back from milestone to a standard task. That's how you create milestones in ClickUp and bring clarity to your project tracking for 2026 and beyond.